Good morning, students from CRC. So today I'm going to be doing a short video tutorial of how to use audio and audio option for going through articles. Now, for some students, it's very easy to take an article and just read through the whole thing. And for some people, it's not. I'm a kinesthetic learner, and I understand that there are so many different types of people that learn in so many different ways. And when I want to go through a large document or a large article, I prefer listening to it than having to sit there and actually read it. So this, hopefully you'll be able to combine it with your reading to help you get through articles and understand it successfully. So we're going to start off with this section of the VLE, which is about Introduction to Biblical Studies, which is for the foundation course. And I am going to look for the article by John Valk. It's one of the articles that the students have to look for in this particular year. So as soon as I open it, you'll notice at the top the options that are available to you. Now, it depends on your web browser. So the web browser that I am using presently is Microsoft Edge. And as soon as I open it and I'm able to open my PDF document in my web browser, I can easily access these options. And one of them is called Read Aloud. So what Read Aloud does, as soon as you click it, it starts reading the document for you. And I am going to move to a different part of the document. Now, as you can see, it's literally reading through every single word and syllable that is on the page. Now, the great thing about this is that you can also look at the various options. You can slow down what the person is saying. You can change the voice from any country you like to make it more comfortable for you if you feel. And as you will see, um, it does still sound it will still sound quite mechanic, but obviously because this is a free version. But the most important thing is that it will help you get through the document. Now, dependent on the speed you choose, if you choose an average normal speed, you should be able to get through, for example, this document's about 18 pages long, and you should be able to get through all of it within an hour. So just as a comparison, the slower it is, the longer it will take. The faster you put it, the shorter it will take. So it really does depend on the settings you eventually put it on. Now, not everybody has Microsoft Edge on their computer. If you're going to use Chrome or Firefox, Opera, what I would suggest is that you really look into whether or not they have this option for PDF documents. Now, if you don't have any of those options, one other option you can have is something called, is a website and an app called Natural Reader. So I have Natural Reader here, and I have previously opened it, but I'm going to go a few steps back. Now, you can either add it as an extension to Chrome if you use Chrome a lot, and then it will just show up automatically for any PDF that you open in your Chrome, and then it will help you read through the entire document. If you don't want to embed it as an extension into your web browser, you have the option of Online Reader. Now, once you open Online Reader, you can easily just find the document wherever you've saved it in your downloads, pick and drop, and it will automatically start having it there and reading it out for you. And once again, you can just click on where you want to start and it will start playing it for you. Now, the great thing about it as well is that it highlights the text as it goes through. I'm going to play it again so that you can see it one more time. And that highlighted version, just in case, you're trying to, I mean, you can look at it, it can be very small on the screen. So instead of squinting your eyes, trying to struggle to read it, the highlighted section pops out really lovely and bold and allows you to properly read through. Now, what I like about Natural Reader is that the tonality of the people reading, or the AI that is reading, feels a lot smoother. So it feels like it's a normal person talking than it's a computer. So this is another option that may feel a little bit more comfortable for you. Now, if you are working from your phone rather than your computer, because most people carry their phone around, I would suggest going to your app store and looking for an app called Voice Aloud Reader. Now, this particular app I have used for for a very long time, and it is very, very good. Now, what it allows you to do once you download because you can easily download it from the VLE. Once you download the document into your phone, it will, once again, similar to what it's done with the other apps we've seen online, it will highlight the places you wanted to read. You can change this, if you click on here, you can change the speed accordingly so that you know exactly how fast or how slow you want it to read for you. And once again, it's on your phone as you're driving, walking around. You put in your headphones and you just let it read it to you. You don't have to think about it. There are other apps out there, and this is a free app, I will say. I haven't paid a single cent for it. I would suggest, this is an option. Natural Reader also has an app. There is another app that allows you to turn the text into an MP3 so that you can listen to it on any device you want to listen to, but those ones have a limit and they may want to charge you extra to open up that limit. So I wouldn't advise to use it unless it's a shorter document, maybe like 5 pages long. Anything more than that, I'm not sure it will really let you have that option. So that's it for now. If you are an audio learner, I hope this has helped you. If you're a kinesthetic learner, hopefully while you're doing some activity and you're listening to your your articles at the same time, it will help you in the future. If you have any questions, please hit me up at the college, send me an email, or drop a question in the comments below. Take care. Bye.